Flip over. Gigantic. Skills. Intense. Let's explore together. Have you ever witnessed the art of climbing and precision cutting at the top of a massive ancient tree? Why does felling a giant sequoia become a top-tier challenge for professional arborists? When we talk about taking down a giant sequoia, we're not just referring to simple sawing and cutting. It's an art that combines expert climbing skills, precision in every cut, and a perfectly calculated strategy. Imagine a sequoia tree, towering dozens of meters high and weighing hundreds of tons, standing strong in the vastness of nature. This is not only a physical challenge, but also one that demands sharp intellect to control every movement. Felling the tree is not just for protecting the surrounding area, it's also a way for humans to intervene responsibly in the ecosystem. The arborist must climb up the trunk, using a system of ropes and pulleys to maintain balance, while employing a technique called démontage, cutting the tree in sections to gradually reduce the load, ensuring no major damage when the tree falls. What's unique here is that they must continuously analyze the tree's structure, the wind direction, and the force of gravity to determine the best approach. This action is like a dance between humans and nature, where every move requires seamless coordination. With a chainsaw in hand, they not only need strength, but also the finesse to adjust the cutting force to the exact millimeter. A single small mistake can cause the massive trunk to fall off course, leading to serious consequences. When the giant truck faces the brutal mud pit, will it conquer or succumb to this tough challenge? Mud is not just an obstacle. It acts as a friction-reducing surface, causing the wheels to lose grip and shifting the vehicle's center of gravity. This leads to tilting, and if the counterbalance is not strong enough, the truck may tip over. With the heavy load shifted to one side, gravity pulls the truck's body lower than its balance point, creating instability. The situation is further exacerbated if the truck is on a sloped path or if the wheels sink into the mud, increasing the risk. This is why truck drivers in such environments often need to have superior driving experience and skills to effectively manage these situations. Have you ever wondered how a massive log can be transported using just a forklift? The forklift is not just a simple mechanical tool. It acts as an extension of the operator's arms. The operator must use all their skills to control the height, lift angle, and moving speed. Especially when moving the log into a container, precision to the centimeter is crucial. In just a few seconds, a massive log transforms into neatly stacked firewood. The wood splitter operates on a hydraulic principle with force that can reach up to several dozen tons. When in operation, the hydraulic piston pushes a sharp blade or a specially shaped splitting component into the log, splitting it along its natural grain. This not only optimizes performance, but also helps preserve the quality of each piece of wood after splitting, which is especially important for dense woods like oak or walnut. Motorcycles, originally designed to carry light loads, require the rider to have exceptional balance skills when transporting large logs. The vehicle's center of gravity is altered, increasing the risk of tipping over or losing control, especially on rough or muddy terrain. The rider must constantly adjust speed and steering force to ensure both the motorcycle and the logs move safely. When craftsmanship and machinery combine, even the heaviest tasks become easier than ever. The operation of this saw machine is based on mechanical drive principles. A main engine, typically powered by gasoline or oil, provides rotational force to a saw blade or wood-splitting mechanism. This motion is amplified through a system of gears and belts, ensuring enough power to handle even the toughest and largest logs. This is the moment when the power of nature meets the skill of humanity. How will this tree trunk be tamed? When the tractor faces harsh terrain and a massive load of wood, can its mechanical power overcome the challenge? One key factor is the tractor's tire system, equipped with chains to improve traction. These steel chains help prevent the tractor from slipping on soft ground or steep slopes. However, when the weight of the wood behind exceeds the tractor's balancing capacity, the center of gravity shifts backward, causing the front end of the vehicle to lift off the ground. This is a dangerous situation, requiring the operator to have the skills and experience to adjust the pulling force and steering direction. With its compact yet powerful design, this machine has helped workers reduce the burden of splitting and handling wood in a much shorter time compared to traditional methods. Have you ever witnessed a competition where strength, speed, and precision are pushed to their limits like this? This isn't just a race, it's a stunning display of skill and courage. The lumberjack competition you're watching is not only a unique sporting event, but also a celebration of one of humanity's oldest professions. In today's world, these skilled workers have taken their craft and tools to new heights, turning the arduous task into a competitive and entertaining sport. At the heart of the competition is the chainsaw, a powerful tool that requires precision and absolute control from the operator. The challenge isn't just about cutting quickly, but also ensuring high accuracy so the pieces of wood are evenly split without cracks or breaks. This is where the technique and experience of the lumberjacks become the deciding factor. The competition is especially thrilling because of the tension created by the roar of the chainsaws, the wood dust flying as the blades meet the tree trunk, and the swift yet precise saw strokes, each one measured down to the millimeter. When survival depends on every turn of the wheels, does the driver have the skill to overcome this dangerous challenge? To control a large truck on this terrain, the driver must have experience and absolute focus. The truck's center of gravity is raised due to the heavy wood load on top, increasing the risk of tipping over when navigating steep slopes or sharp turns. The driver must not only calculate speed, but also precisely control the steering and braking force to keep the vehicle balanced. A small mistake could lead to serious consequences. This is the perfect moment to fell a dry tree near the house.
yuk, dadah Dayut. Lagi lewat mana? Gas, gas. Wow. Edan men. Edan ini mah. Mantap men. Mantap.
Rapporta.